Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To determine whether an iPhone is original or refurbished, you can perform various checks to inspect its hardware, software, and documentation. Here is a guide how to check it. So let's get started. Firstly, start by verifying the serial number. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the About. Inside About, you can see the serial number available there. Simply copy the serial number. After you copy it, go to any web browser and search for Apple Check Coverage and tap on the first option available there. After you tap on it, you will have to enter the serial number of your iPhone on the given box. After you enter your serial number and get done with the CAPTCHA, Apple's website will provide information about the iPhone's warranty status and purchase date and eligibility of Apple Care coverage. And if this information does not pop up, then the iPhone is refurbished. And if you see this information provided by the Apple, then your iPhone is original. Now let's go to the settings and tap on the general and again go to the about section. Then inside about you will get to see model number available there. So what happens is every iPhone version has a different model number. The model number of an iPhone typically consists of combination of letters and numbers according to the iPhone's generation. So once you have found the model number, you can use it to identify your specific iPhone model for troubleshooting, purchasing accessories or checking compatibility with software's update. So by following these steps, you can know that your iPhone is original or refurbished. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.